I'm here at the Villars Ocean Forum, and the theme is Turning Point. It's an urgent story with limited time to choose the epilogue. And over the past few days, we've heard how we're pushing beyond the planetary boundaries that have made life on Earth possible. And as scientist Johan Rockström put it, we're leaving the corridor of life. And these are the stable conditions that allowed civilization to flourish. And freshwater systems are under pressure everywhere. Oceans, climate, fresh water, it's really all one system. When you destabilize water, you destabilize everything. Food systems, energy systems, supply chains, and economies. And we can see it now. Conflict over water has risen dramatically, even over the past few weeks in the Middle East. And data centers are tapping into scarce water supplies. And the race for rare earth minerals, critical for the energy transition, is fundamentally a water story. And water is becoming the hidden constraint and the hidden risk across global finance. Or as one participant here said plainly, water is the new gold in this nexus of energy and even agriculture. It's important to note some major shifts. Finance is starting to move. Institutions are mapping water risk across portfolios, asking their clients where water threatens their operations and where investment can actually drive resilience. One high-level executive said that banks are actually exploring ways to starve the bad actors of capital. So water is no longer a side issue. But here's also the tension. Do we need more data and research? Well, always. But we know enough right now to inform our most important decisions. As esteemed BBC news anchor Nick Gowing said, the real challenge is communication, reaching the people who actually have influence. And that's turning the research into decisions and decisions into real action and clearly defining what that action actually is. And as renowned ocean explorer Sylvia Earle told us, we are making decisions based on what we know, while the deeper we go, the more we realize how much we don't know. And there's no reason to wait. So what's that leave us to do? Professor Tim Lenton said yesterday that we have a choice to accept negative tipping points or to create positive ones. And positive tipping points come from alignment, and that means aligning the money with urgency and driving policy with science and sharing stories where people see themselves in the picture. So this is really, it's an expedition where every step counts to avoid falling down the mountain like the ones behind us. In a sense, we're all roped together. And so tomorrow I'll host the session, Water, the Hidden Connector. It's true that water is the connector, yet it's still mostly hidden and taken for granted until it's gone. So we'll come up with a more detailed map to share, and this is truly a turning point for water that's salty and fresh and the systems that make life possible.